In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for records in Zoho CRM. Being able to quickly find the right contact, lead, or invoice is one of the most important skills you can build inside Zoho CRM. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using the global search feature, which is the fastest way to track down information when you have a general keyword in mind, like a person's name, an email address, or a reference number. Let's start from anywhere inside Zoho CRM. Look at the top bar of your screen, and you'll see a small magnifying glass icon. This is your global search. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a search box will appear, ready for you to type in your query. Now, click into the search box and start entering your keyword. This could be something like a company name, a partial email address, or even an invoice or deal number. As you type, Zoho CRM will automatically start showing suggestions below the search bar. These suggestions are real records from across your CRM that match what you're typing. At this point, you can already be very efficient. If you see the record you need in the suggestion list, simply click on it. Zoho CRM will take you straight to that record's detail page where you can review the information, make updates, or take whatever action you need. By default, Global Search looks through all the main modules in your CRM. That's helpful when you're not exactly sure where a record lives, or when a piece of information might appear in more than one place. However, sometimes you already know that what you're looking for is, for example, a contact or a lead. In that case, you can narrow things down to get more focused results. To do this, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the search icon. Click that drop-down, and you'll see a list of modules, such as contacts, leads, accounts, or deals. Choose the module that best matches what you're searching for. Now, when you type into the search box, Zoho CRM will only look in that module, which often makes the results cleaner and easier to scan. If you'd like to see a more complete picture of everything that matches your search term, instead of clicking a suggestion, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This opens a full search results page. Here, you'll see a more extensive list of matching records, grouped and organized so you can scroll, filter, and compare before deciding which one you want to open. This view is especially useful when you have many similar records or when your keyword is very common. And that's the core of using global search in Zoho CRM. Click the magnifying glass, type your keyword, optionally choose a specific module, and either pick a suggestion or press Enter for a full results list.